Morning guys, welcome back to Wild Shanghai. This time we are at Nanhui Dongtan. It's the east corner of Shanghai, and to this side is the sea and to this side is the land. During migration seasons, it's popular for a lot of birds passing here. They will rest here and feed and go on with their migration. And also for a lot of people, the birders, they like here because they can see very rare birds here. So let's find out what we can see today. This small forest is called magic forest because it's kind of a very small forest along the dike. It's very close to the migration routes. So when birds passing here, they will rest here. So it's a very good spot to find some forest birds that are migrating through. So that's why they call it magic forest, because you never know what you can find in here. It's an immature bird of a brown shrike. It's different from the long-tailed shrike. This broad-billed sandpiper has a broken leg. It's jumping to continue the foraging and continue the life. This is quite common actually. Losing one leg is better than losing the wing. Many of them can still live on their lives as usual. There are two kinds of shorebirds. They have different behaviors and foraging techniques. One is they use their eyesight for foraging, like the Kentish plover. These species usually have bigger eyes and shorter bills and shorter legs. Another different kind is they have the sensor on the tip of their bill, which they use for foraging, and they don't need bigger eyes, so they usually have longer bills and very diverse shape of the bill and length of the bill, which they can use to find different food. The white one with black color, very long legs, they are called pied avocet. They can swish in the water to find the swimming insects or fishes or very small things inside the water for food. And some of them are breeding in Shanghai. Wimbrill, 中小玉, they have down-curved bills which help them, they are very long, which help them to dig into the mud for crabs or for some worms and benthic lives and living inside the mud. This adult is more grayish color, and the juvenile is more brown. And when breeding, they will turn into black. Under the wing, it's also black, but it's called white wing-tern. For this part, the wings, upper part of the wing is white. Another similar species is this whiskered tern. When its non-breeding plumage is kind of difficult to distinguish, but you can see the whiskered tern. The black is only to the eye, but for this one, it has the black part goes under the eyes, and there was a white patch behind that. This is a slight difference between these two. Whisker terns. They prey on the fishes, shrimps, and other aquatic lives in the water. They are quite skilled flyers, can flap their wings to stay in the air and look down to find food. When they find one, they can slide down to catch them swiftly. Now it's the high tide. When the tide comes in, the birds come inside for roosting. And this is the end of our birding tour today, but it's not our lucky day. We didn't find many rare birds, but you never know. It's the fun of bird watching. You never know what you can find today. Maybe next time you can find some owls in the forest or some rare terns from the sea. So it's the second World Migratory Birds Day coming. This year in the autumn is October 8th. So if you see this video in this Migratory Bird Day, you can go out to the wetland or to the forest to find some bird and enjoy this special day with them together. So see you next time in Wild Shanghai.